Hello and welcome to All Taste German. If you enjoy butterscotch candy like Werthers, then you will love these German butterscotch cookies named Karamell Taler. These shortbread-like German cookies are not only scrumptious, they are also very easy and fast to make. First, you need to unwrap the candy. Then add them to a blender or a freezer bag. Grind the candy finely in the blender or use a rolling pin or small pan to crush the candies in the freezer bag. Measure your ingredients and cut the cold butter into 1/4-inch cubes. Make sure to set a 1/4 cup of crushed candy aside. Add the flour, sugar, the remaining crushed candy and salt to a large bowl and blend well. Add the eggs and blend into the flour mixture. Then add the cold butter cubes and knead all ingredients to a smooth dough. Shape the dough into 2 logs, cover them with plastic wrap and refrigerate for about 1 hour. Cut the logs into 1/4-inch slices and place them on the baking sheets. Combine 4 tablespoons of sugar with the remaining crushed candy. Brush the cookies with egg wash and sprinkle them generously with the sugar mixture. Bake the cookies for about 12 to 14 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit in a preheated oven. Enjoy with a nice hot cocoa or a cold glass of milk. Guten Appetit!